Hello everybody, Marshall Coleman here. I thought I'd do a quick video on how I get tons and tons of free leads off of Facebook and a piece of software I use. First of all, here's my Facebook page, my second. I have two Facebook accounts. And yeah, you're allowed to have more than one. But if you decide to, make another Facebook page like I did, use your credentials, your right credentials, like your real name, just use the right credentials basically. And you won't get penalized for it by Facebook. All right, I just wanted to show y'all a quick something here. Of course, here's my profile. I haven't made any recent posts lately because I really don't use. I only use this one for marketing, really. But if you scroll down, you're gonna see that I am in 1,023 internet marketing groups. Actually, I'm more or less in like 1,100 something groups. And that's how I get my leads. Okay, you be a part of these groups, and a piece of software that I use is called Perfect Post App. Okay, it's called Nitrosedge. Okay, now what this software does is it's automatically posting my ad to all these groups, all 1,000 of my groups, on autopilot. So basically, I let this thing run all night, all day. I just let it run. I switch up my ads from time to time and let it run. And here's some of the, let's see. Okay, single message. Saying I'm not logged in, but that's simple. All right, well, here's some of my ads. Group posts, popular posts, post reporting. These are all the groups I'm posting to. All these groups have been posted so far. I guess the easiest way to tell where I've been posting is you go to activity. It'll tell you all the groups you've been posting in. As I had one as a 1004, one just posted in the group. Now I'm gonna go to that group to see my ad there. Let's see, there we go. There's my ad right here. It's automatically running for me, guys. Okay, here's the web page here. All right, you got three different choices. You can do either way. It's a trial. If you do monthly, it's like $17 a month, but you get a 3-day free trial to start it. And if you pay like yearly, is 67. Well, here you go. $17 a month and receive three free days. That's what I'm a part of right now. And I'm liking it. I've been doing this for like 2 or 3 weeks now. And this thing just runs and runs. It's awesome. And it posts like 1,000 groups a day. Imagine getting your ad out to 1,000 different groups. And these groups have lots of people in them. I mean, lots. This particular group have 11,000 members. You got some with 40,000, 50,000. You got some with 9,000, 3,000. But just imagine people seeing your offer in all these different groups. I mean, that'll turn a lot of heads. Okay, you get 7 free days if you, let's see, $97 for the year. That's what it is. If you do 5 years, well, if you get started today without a trial, it'd be $67.90 a year. And the 5-year one was like $197 for 5 years. And receive 14 days free. Since today, $197 for the 5 years. Okay. I just do the monthly because that's my way of just being able to test it out and see how it runs. It's a pretty amazing system. It still have a few little bugs and stuff here and there, but all in all, it runs pretty good. And another thing, I know a lot of people are like, well, I don't have a Facebook account. It's real simple, to make one. You can go to YouTube and find the video, or you can just ask me and I'll make a video on how to make a YouTube, I mean not a YouTube, a Facebook account. It is so simple. It takes a few minutes. And you also might be saying, okay, well, you're in 1,000 groups. Well, let's just put it this way. 4 days ago, I was only in 70 groups under this profile. I was in 70 groups. And now, as you can see, I'm in 1,000 or more groups. And the way I did that is this service also have a group adding service where they can add 1,000 or 2,000, add you to 2,000 groups for $115, or add you to 1,000 groups for $75. I mean, this is less than a week's time. It's basically already paying off for me because I get leads all the time from Facebook. Just letting this thing run. It's just constantly running, and it's doing marketing. Let me focus on other ways of marketing. So this is pretty amazing how fast it posts to all these different groups. But let's see, schedule posts. Like if I want to send a message out, you just well, I have different messages already done, but you can create a message and then add new message. And you just type in your message, whatever your message is going to be, like anything like my last one's like 2 veterans took a $5 system and made the potential, way higher. I just sometimes I can't come up with stuff. I figure it out after a while. But whatever your URL to that particular thing is, you put it right here. Like whatever HTTP or www dot goes right here. Then you choose an image and you just put the headline title, like $5 funnel is growing super fast, and description you can say get started today, time's wasting, just kind of like more or less a call to action right here. But let me look at my, not save messages, not schedule group, multiple messages, post reporting. Where is it at? Group post. No, see, single message. Oh, let me see. Create message. Let me see. Go back to create messages. Okay, there we go. I'll just show you an example of one of my messages. Like, I'm going to just hit edit. See, I put, stop jumping from program to program and join a proven $5 funnel system today. Then I put my website in there, and then I have the image here, which is easy to get images. You can get them from Google. It's not a big deal. Like, headline title, I put $5 funnel is growing super fast, and then description I put join thousands of others who see the value of $5 funnel. Now this image here, I'll tell you how I get images. I just go to Google right here, and I type in like join now. And once you hit enter, then you go to images, and it'll have a lot of join now images. You pick the one you want, or you can just type in like get started in Google and then go to images. And then how you right click, save image as. You can rename it to whatever you want. I just leave it there. And then hit save. So whenever you load it in here, you hit choose file, you find that file, and then you whatever your file was, you double click it and It's in there. And then once you save, it'll show you an example. Like for instance, this is what it'll look like once I hit save. See, this is how it looks. Shows you exactly how it looks, and then you're good to go. And then you just then you go to single messages, which you'll learn all this anyway if you decide to try it out, and which I suggest you do. I mean, this is, you can't get no easier, and it's cost effective. You get 3 free days, 3 trial days if you do it monthly. So I mean, you can't beat that. But you just select all your stuff. Now you got to all see. Here's all my groups here. All my groups. I'm in 1146 groups. You know, this thing, like I just select whatever I want. Now it automatically has everything loaded up that I needed. And I just hit share to all my groups, which it got all my groups now highlighted. Then you go to schedule, but one thing you got to do is make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that you want to post in, or that you have all your groups added in. Then you just hit the scheduler, which I'm not going to do this now because I already have it running. And you just basically change your time to 10 minutes later or less. You know, look at me. I don't know what I'm doing. 22. Then you just hit the date, which is the 8th. You hit it. And then you go up here to where it says post your message. And you hit post one time. Then it'll be ready. It'll be set to post. And once that happens, it'll automatically start posting to all your groups. And you won't get penalized by Facebook. So 1013 was the last time. So that was about a minute ago. So it's posting in all these different groups for me. Just imagine. And then, a lot of times I'll wake up to some leads, and I wake up to likes and comments, and then I go back and, respond to the comments, or I might, get in touch with the people who liked it and say, I appreciate you liking my post, or whatever the case. Just have a conversation and let them see if they're interested in what you have to offer. But anyway, I know I kind of stumbled through this video. I'm kind of winging it, but that's basically all I have. If you want to join Nitro, the link's at the bottom of the description. And if you want to join the group adding service, the link will be in the description also. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.